Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Riquel Angela. I'm back with another makeup tutorial. If you guys want to know how I created this makeup date night look, let's get right into this video. Before I get started, if you're new to my channel, what's up? How are you doing? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you guys are returning viewers, hey y'all, let's get into this date night makeup routine. So I went ahead and started on my brows using the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel in the color Grind, and then I cleaned up my brows using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And to start off my eyes, I went ahead and I am applying the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn on my eyelids, and I'm blending that in very well before I apply my eyeshadows. So now I'm using this dark brown color and I'm going to apply that in the crease of my eyes. So when I apply that brown color, I just want to make sure that I'm blending it in very well in the crease of my eyelids. And I'm using the Wet n Wild Coloricon Not a Basic Peach eyeshadow palette. So once I finished applying the eyeshadow to my crease area, I'm now going to use the Revolution Reloaded Deep Dive eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the color number 10, which is that navy blue, and it has a little bit of shimmer to it, so I'm super excited to use this eyeshadow color. Blue is my favorite color, and I don't normally use colors like this, so as you can see, like, I'm so happy to be able to apply one of my favorite colors to my face. So just enjoy this blue process. I love it. Y'all, I am like so happy I'm finally using this blue. I've been wanting to use it for a minute, so like I am like in love, okay? So in love with this blue. So once I applied the blue eyeshadow, I wanted to go back using the Wet n Wild Coloricon Not a Basic Peach eyeshadow palette. I wanted to go back in with that brown and just blend in between the browns and the blues just a little bit. So this is what I've gotten so far with the two colors. I'm like so excited. And right now I'm going back in with the same blue that I was using from the Revolution Deep Dive eyeshadow palette. And I'm just applying it to my bottom lash line, almost like I would do when I apply eyeliner. So I'm using a pointed eyeshadow brush, and I'm going in using the silver color on the Revolution Deep Dive eyeshadow palette, and that color is number 11. And I'm applying that to the tear ducts of my eyes. So once I finish applying eyeshadow to the tear ducts of my eyes, I'm using the color number 9 in the Revolution Eyeshadow Deep Dive Palette. And that is like a cream color, still like a soft white color. And I wanted to apply that just under my eyebrows. So this is the look that I have so far before I apply my foundation. And the foundation I'm using is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the color 445. And I like to dab on the foundation, or at least when I use this foundation, because when I apply it like to my hand and I kind of dip my brush in my hand, I feel like most of the foundation gets stuck in my brush. So I like to kind of dab it on my face and then start applying the makeup everywhere with using the brush. So once I apply my foundation, I am now going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color FAWN, and I'm applying that to the cheeks, to my forehead, to my chin, and down the middle of my nose. And I'm going to blend in my concealer using my Eco Tools Total Perfecting Beauty Blender. Y'all, do not judge me for that. I was actually, I'm an actress. I was getting my little cat feline vibes, okay? So, and it's Halloween, so meow. And you want to make sure that when you blend in your concealer that you're really blending it in. So once I finish my blending process, I am now using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Mahogany. And this is how my contour kind of starts. So I apply that in like the middle of my cheeks area, and I apply it along my forehead area and just a little bit near my chin and down the bridge of my nose, like on the sides of it. And you want to make sure that you're blending in that very well. So once I finish my contour blending process, I am now using the Revolution baking powder in the colors Terracotta and Deep Dark, and I choose to mix the two of them together in my little separate container. And I apply my baking powder under my eyes, at my chin area, on my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose, the same area where I had applied my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I make sure that I press in my powders as I'm applying it. So once I apply my baking powder, I am now using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Retouching Setting Powder in the color Nutmeg, and I'm just going on the outlines of my face, basically where I applied the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Mahogany. That's just basically where I'm applying my powders, because you know you want to set your makeup. I'm so happy this look is finally coming together. And then I had just got a notification that your girl got booked, so I'm like super happy. So don't mind me and my happy dance. So anyway, back to our regular scheduled programs. I am now applying my eyeliner using the NYX Professional Makeup Vinyl Liquid Liner in the color Black. And I am just lining my lash line before I apply my mascara and my false lashes. So now I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, and this is a new mascara to me, but I heard it's like the drugstore version of the Better Than Sex mascara. So I was just kind of excited to use, you know, a cheaper version of that and just see how it goes. And I did get it in the color Blackest Black, and it is waterproof. Ooh, can you say transformation? Right now I am applying my Ardell Professional Wispy Lashes. The number is 113 and I got the 5-pack. So I'm just applying that really quick to my lash line. And then right after I finish applying my lashes, I will go over with just a quick streak of my liquid eyeliner just to kind of clean up that eyelash line. Okay, so I wanted to tell you guys about this lip look. It kind of threw me off a little bit. I wasn't sure if this is something I wanted to use, but it's the NYX Lingerie Push Up Long Lasting Lipstick. But because I wasn't quite sure if I liked the color, I went ahead and just swapped it out for my NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the color Chocolate Crepe, and I stuck with that. I don't know, I felt like that dark brown just kind of threw me off a little bit. I thought it was too dark for what I was trying to go for. So you guys let me know what you think. So are y'all feeling the chocolate brown or the chocolate pink color? Let me know in the comment section. So this completes my date night makeup tutorial look. If you guys like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Have a good one.